Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, as far as things are going with Ethereum, of course, it's going a bit better than Bitcoin because, well, Bitcoin had recently just found a new 52-week low, and we have not seen that happen yet with Ethereum. Ethereum is still using the same 52-week low that it had since the month of June. So in this case, looking at things with Ethereum right now, there's a possibility that we can say from the moment just before the FTX drama unfolded to basically now, we can say that Ethereum could possibly be within a possible wave 2, or it could be within a possible wave 4 or 5 to the downside. And this is saying that from the moment that the drama with FTX started, if we look at that as that being a wave 1 coming down, then going up in a wave 2, and we could say that it had come down within a wave 3, gone up in a wave 4, and then came down in a wave 5 as a possibility. Or we can say that we haven't completed the wave 5 yet, and this run was a wave 3, then we went up on a wave 4, and then we're still waiting to come down in a wave 5. I know the graph here is a bit confusing, but I still think that, in my personal opinion, I think that the price going down one more time for Ethereum is most likely what is going to be happening. And really what I'm looking at here is here on the 4-hour chart, what we can look at is we can look at this extra consolidation. Now, this is pretty intense consolidation that we're seeing here with Ethereum, and I think that this could easily be leading into more price movements to the downside, given that the consolidation is really just mostly waiting on to hear what's next for the crypto market. And I think that the possibility of seeing this come down one more leg down in that fifth wave and dropping the price below from where it was at in the second week of November, from where it was at on November 9th. And at that time, the price of Ethereum was about $1,050. So I think we could be seeing it come down a bit more. Now, how low could it go? That's the big question. So panning out a bit, and if we were to take the Fibonacci retracement and just look at this entire run, then we can see that that the wave 1 was below the 382 Fibonacci level. It was close within range of the 50% price movement. And if we look at the wave, where it could be the wave 4 or this possible a wave 1 to the upside, in this case, the price had gone up 50% of this entire run. So what I would say, if this is in fact a wave 4, then in this case, if I was to drag this over and line this up with the wave 4, then we can see that coming down, the wave 3 would come down to around the 50% Fibonacci level. And so that wave 5 would need to come down at least one more Fibonacci level below that, to that 618 Fibonacci level. So in that case, I would say that the price of Ethereum could be coming down within the range of $975 as a possibility, or even lower than that could even be a possibility. If we were to see it go down within the 786 level, then that would put the price of Ethereum somewhere within the range of $870, and that would be just a little bit below where it was at in its 52-week low. So hopefully, I mean, maybe that might not be the case, but anything is possible. And I wouldn't really take anything off the table at this moment, because with everything that's going on in the crypto market, I mean, you have to expect at least myself personally, I expect there to be still more bearish possibilities to be happening. I don't want to throw that out. So as far as my investing strategies go, I'm still doing the dollar cost averaging right now, but I'm really waiting for what happens within this fifth wave, because that's where I'm at right now. I don't really want to invest too much more at this moment, and we see the price of Ethereum still come down even lower, and then I miss a good opportunity. So I'm kind of just waiting out to see if there's a better opportunity to accumulate more at this point, thinking that wave 5 would still come down. Now, looking here on the daily chart, you can see that the resistance line for Ethereum is coming down even lower. Now, some key things, though, that people are going to need to be paying attention to is our our moving averages. So as far as things with our 20-day moving average, which of course has been taking a pretty big dip here, currently that's sitting around the price of $1,300. So Ethereum would need to break above the price of $1,300 at the moment to be able to see the price possibly have some momentum to the upside. And there's really not enough with the enough activity right now coming in to be able to help Ethereum get to that level. We're going to really need some sort of good news over in the crypto market to be able to see the price of Ethereum go up that much. So I think that as we still will continue to see the 20-day moving average and everything else still start to make its way down and create even more pressure for Ethereum to really help out that possibility of this going down within that fifth wave. But of course, I could be wrong, and there could be a move to the upside within all this consolidation that we are seeing. But still, it's all just waiting to be seen on what does happen. So, anyways, that's the current update with Ethereum. I still think that there's still one more move to the downside, and we're already kind of seeing that resistance level keep shrinking with Ethereum. So I think that at some point we're going to be seeing it, break this trend line here, and Ethereum take a bit of a dip here very soon. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching, listening.